What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Cassie here with your Saturday, March 23rd Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. What an early morning start on the mountain. Mother Nature felt a little giving and blessed us with a 2-inch top coat to the trails. The snow should continue through the morning, then making way to cloudy skies and temps in the 40s with winds in the 20s. We will be keeping up with our 26 trails and 7 lifts on machine-groomed, thanks to our team, and packed powder snow. Join us today for the Winter Wild Race. It's an uphill race series with a twist. The finish is at the bottom, so you get to come back down too. Grab your skis, snowshoes, or just your running shoes and join the Winter Wild series for some fun. Ski or ride anytime until closing day for just $168, or upgrade today's lift ticket and pay the difference to get yourself a rest of season pass. Just coming for the day, we've added some deep discounts on daily lift tickets when you purchase online in advance. And that's all for now. Thanks for tuning in. Go check us out on all our social media, and I will ski you on the slopes.